Today, we're diving into the Corsair K70 RGB PRO, a wired mechanical gaming keyboard designed to elevate your gaming and typing experience. Built for performance and durability, this keyboard combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology, making it a standout choice for gamers and professionals alike. Whether you're looking for lightning-fast responsiveness or a comfortable typing experience, the K70 RGB PRO promises to deliver. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its CHERRY MX RGB Red Switches, which offer a linear and smooth keystroke with minimal actuation force. This makes it ideal for fast-paced gaming where every millisecond counts. The keyboard also boasts an impressive 8000 Hz hyper-polling rate, ensuring near-instantaneous input recognition, a game-changer for competitive gamers. The PBT Double-Shot Pro keycaps are another highlight, providing a textured feel and resistance to wear, so your keyboard stays looking and feeling new for years. The included soft-touch palm rest adds comfort during long sessions, reducing strain on your wrists. In real-life use, the K70 RGB PRO shines. The keys are responsive and satisfying to press, whether you're gaming or typing. The RGB lighting is vibrant and customizable through Corsair's IQ software, allowing you to create stunning lighting effects or keep it simple for a more professional look. The build quality is solid, with an aluminum frame that feels sturdy and premium. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The wired design might limit mobility for some users, and the lack of wireless options could be a deal breaker for those who prefer a clutter-free setup. Additionally, while the palm rest is comfortable, it's not magnetic, so it can shift slightly during intense use. Compared to similar products like the Razer Black Widow or the Logitech G915, the K70 RGB PRO holds its own with its superior polling rate and durable keycaps. While the Razer offers optical switches and the Logitech provides wireless convenience, the Corsair strikes a balance between performance and build quality, making it a strong contender in the premium mechanical keyboard market. To get the most out of this keyboard, take advantage of the IQ software to customize your lighting and macros. Experiment with different key bindings to optimize your gaming setup, and consider using a wrist rest if you're prone to fatigue during long sessions. Regular cleaning will also help maintain the keyboard's pristine condition. Overall, the Corsair K70 RGB PRO is an excellent choice for gamers and heavy typists who prioritize speed, durability, and customization. Its premium features and robust construction make it a worthwhile investment, though those seeking wireless options might want to look elsewhere. If you're after a high-performance keyboard that can keep up with your demands, the K70 RGB PRO is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.